The nervous system is divided into the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is consisted of the brain and the spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system, however, is consisted of everything else but this. So it's consists of the nerves, two types of nerves, spinal nerves and the cranial nerves. So the peripheral nervous system is divided into the somatic and autonomic. Somatic nervous system revolves around voluntary processes. So you moving sensory and motor neurons, you moving your joints and your muscles. Involuntary, however, revolves around regulating body temperature, heartbeat, respiration, digestion, and glandular secretions. So the autonomic nervous system is involved with processes that our body goes through that we don't even have to think about. Like, we don't think about our heart beating, it just naturally happens. And the autonomic nervous system is divided into two states. So we have the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system is our fight or flight mode, while our parasympathetic nervous system is our rest and digest. In our sympathetic nervous system, our heart rate is raised and this inhibits digestion. So knowing that parasympathetic involves rest and digest, which is an increase in digestion, of course, sympathetic nervous system would be the opposite of that. So when sympathetic is high, parasympathetic is low, which hence the fact that sympathetic nervous system brings down digestion and parasympathetic brings up digestion. Sympathetic nervous system also uses up energy and it relaxes the bronchi. Your your breathing will start to get faster. That's why sometimes a lot of people, when they're very anxious, they start hyperventilating, hence panic attacks. Parasympathetic nervous system conserves your energy and constricts the bronchi. So to be more specific, the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system, and these are the reactions that occur. So in the sympathetic nervous system, the pupils start to dilate and salivation is inhibited. Your bronchi relax, your heartbeat goes up, you start to sweat, or you start to get your goosebumps, and digestion and secretion is inhibited, glucose production is upped and released, secretion of adrenaline and noradrenaline occurs, bladder contraction is inhibited, and orgasm can be stimulated. Parasympathetic nervous system involves pupils being constricted, the flow of your saliva being stimulated, bronchi being constricted, your heartbeat getting slower, and your digestion and your secretion being stimulated, stimulates bile release, and contracts your bladder.